press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Revolt gives India its first electric motorcycle. Revolt Intellicorp, a two-wheeler startup by Micromax co-founder Mr. Rahul Sharma, gave India its two electric motorcycles in a plan that offers motorcycle as a service. Revolt launched the RB400 with its sibling RB300 with eye-catching features and novel monthly pricing plan. When it comes to the pricing, RB400 carries monthly payment plan of Rs 3499 for 37 months, while RB300 will bear a monthly payment plan of Rs 2999 inclusive of all prices. Talking about the performance, the RB400 gets a 3.6 kW rated electric motor along with 3 riding modes, that is Eco, Normal and Sport, with speed of 45 km per hour, 65 km per hour and 85 km per hour respectively. On a single charge, Revolt will run up to 150 km. On the other hand, RB300 gets a 1.5 kW motor with a 2.7 kW battery and a top speed of 65 km per hour. It is featured with hexagonal headlamps with LED DRLs and projector lights. RB400 also offers additional storage space. Upside down, the front brakes provide suspension, while 240mm disc brakes both in the front and the back along with the CBS will handle the braking duties. The bikes can be charged with a normal wall socket at your home. Several locations are being launched by the company to take a charged battery from the shopkeeper. As the battery is portable, it can be taken out and get charged at home. Also, in case of urgency, one can order a charged battery on the Revolt app that will be delivered at the doorstep. The bikes have gained popularity, which is quite evident from more than 75,000 registrations at the company so far.